Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I want to talk to you about whether or not you can file a Marchman Act or a guardianship if your loved one has been placed in jail. And the simple answer to that is in most cases, no, it's too late. The time to file for Marchman Act or guardianship was before your loved one got arrested. So, one of the things, the hardest things for us to deal with is with families who simply can't make the decision to commit their loved ones to some form of long-term treatment. And I certainly am the first one to tell you that it's a serious commitment to Marchman Act or guardianship your loved one, and I appreciate that. But as these families know and as they see, probably better than I do and see, mental illness and substance use get worse with time if left untreated. And eventually what happens is if you don't get the person help so they can begin the process of recovery, the state typically takes custody of them. They either take custody of them through the mental health system or the criminal justice system, or they end up dead. I mean, that's really how it is. And so we had an instance where a family had called us about a year ago. Their loved one clearly needed to go to treatment, and the family decided for whatever reason that they weren't ready to do it. Well, fast forward a year, the family called us. Now their daughter had committed a serious crime and was in jail and was facing many, many years in the state penitentiary. And they said, oh, we're ready to do something now. We'd like to go ahead and file the guardianship. And I said, it's too late. The state now has your loved one. She's in the criminal justice system. And frankly, what you really need is a really good criminal defense lawyer, because I think there's a very strong likelihood she's going to go to prison. And she's going to go to prison for a very long time. And so I would encourage you, before you even get to that stage, before things get so bad that your loved one ends up in the criminal justice system, I would just encourage you to really think about this long and hard and make the decision that your loved one simply can't make. It's not that they don't want to make it, but when you are dealing with a loved one who is gripped by substance use and mental illness, they simply can't make that decision, and you got to make it for them, or this is the consequence, or one of the consequences of not doing so. Anyway, with that said, thanks again for the question, and take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.